Alright, so like I said, y'all, this is Garage Vlogs. Today we're working on a Buick. It's an 80s model. It's a late 80s, early 90s model. What we're going to be doing to it is front pads and rotors. And we're going to be doing rear drums and a hub bearing. Now, for the front, the only tools that I'm going to be needing for the front is a dual piston, a 10mm for the brake line, and then a 1/2 inch socket with a T55 on the end of it to get the caliper off. So what I'm going to do is I've already got it jacked up and the wheels off. I'm going to take off the 2 bolts here and here. That'll pull the caliper off. I'm going to bleed it, squeeze the caliper down, take the old rotor off, put a new one on, and then put new pads on, and then we'll put it back together. And when I get done doing that, I'll be right back to show you guys. Alright, so there we go, guys. We got one side done. Like I said, this is like really easy to do on one of these cars. See, brand new pads are in, brand new rotor. Got a little bit of oil from the brake fluid there. Bolts are tightened back down in. This side, good to go. We got one more side over there, and then we got the back drums to do. Alright, I'll be back, you guys. Alright, you guys, and just like that, front pads and rotors are done, wheels are on. Alright, check this side. Wheels on this side. I already got the jack stands out from underneath it. And I'm going to go ahead and let it down. So all we got left to do on this now is do the rear drums and pads and the hub bearing. Now, I'm not going to be the one doing that. My dad's going to be the one doing that. So I'm going to wait for him to get here. I'm going to go ahead and let the car down. Nice and slowly, hopefully. Doesn't come all the way down and hit the jack. Mother, this is stupid as shit. There we go. Alright. Now I got the car all the way down. Just want to take this second and talk to you guys about a few things. I don't usually like doing this, and I don't mean working on cars. I love working on cars. It's a passion of mine, something that I love doing. But just want to take a quick second and talk to y'all. You know, I just previously lost my job, so I got enough money saved up to pay my bills and everything like that, but I'm looking for work right now, so YouTube is really all I got right now, other than customers who are kind enough to bring work to me to get done instead of taking it to a shop. But after talking with a bunch of my friends and asking them what they think I should do until I do find a job, and I'm doing this, they suggested at the bottom of the description of every video I do a donation and put my PayPal in. Now, I'm not asking everybody to donate. You don't have to donate. It's something that you can do if you choose to. So, if you will, just hit the description, and it should be all the way down at the bottom before my email for the Send It Sunday videos. So, that PayPal right there, which is paypal.me/UARperformance, is where you can donate if you would like to. Now, like I said, I'm not going to call anybody out or anything like that. You don't have to donate, but if you want to and you feel the need to, it is greatly appreciated, you guys. It helps me out. It helps me pay my bills, and it helps me get the stuff to where I can continue making videos. I can, you know, save the money up to either get this done or actually go on the trip down to Daytona, where I might not have this with me, but I can still go on the trip down to Daytona, and I can vlog the entire event for you guys and get great footage and just have a blast and show y'all what it's like down there. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and I'm going to bring it back to when we get ready to do the rear drums and pads and show y'all how that's done. But alright, bring it back.
Dude, that like sucks, though. Alright, no, just don't have the conventional springs. Like, you know, we have the little rod about that long. Yeah. You have the spring that turns, goes in like that. Alright, this has got like a horseshoe. Alright, it locks in down up underneath here. Alright, and then it goes through holes right in here. The pressure is what keeps that pulled in together. Alright, so what you have to use is this tool right here. Okay? These 2 little hooks. Alright? What you gotta do is you hook one into like there. Okay? The other one is going to hook into this side here as soon as I make it long enough to reach. Now you see how they both hook up underneath like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the tool's actually backwards. That should actually be on the inside of the hub, but it'll still work like that, okay? And what you want to do is you tighten these here up until they get what they call taut, a little tight.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, as you turn these ones here in,
you pull them out?
Well, it keeps the pressure on it. It keeps it from going in and out. Okay. Because actually, with the way that this thing works, okay, it actually puts pressure where these things pull back.
All right.
All right. So by using these things here, all right, when you take and turn these to pull the rods out of there, it keeps it from collapsing on you.
Okay.
Okay? So like I said, as you turn these here out, it'll pull those pins out. And that's all that holds these shoes up against the backing plate.
Okay.
This spring right here, the only job for this spring is when you let go, after you let go of the brakes, those pistons are supposed to collapse back in. That spring right there is what pulls the shoes together.
All right.
Right? And, normally on the red ones, you have a spring that will go across here to hold the bottom tight. All right, well, because of the design of that horseshoe, that holds it in at the bottom and keeps them from coming apart.
Okay. All right, so we got to undo that horseshoe right there.
Yes, so you pull those there out. Once those are out,
then we can do
you take the spring here, and then the shoes come right off.
All right. All right, you guys, I forgot to end the video off last night, but we finished the car, took it back to him. Today I got to go do something and take some things, but I put some transmission slip in my transmission. It's got a little leak going on to it, but that's going to be a video one day, is checking to see where this thing is leaking transmission fluid from and change out the filter and everything. So look forward to a video on that coming very soon to y'all. But to just kind of wrap everything up from last night and to, I don't know, I guess tell you what's going on, but that's gonna be it for the first episode of Garage Vlogs, guys. If you like what you see, tell me down below. If you want some ideas for me to do to the next video, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, and also hit that bell notifications, because if you don't, then you're never gonna know when I post another video, because YouTube is cut. Not really, but alright guys, it's gonna be it. See you next time.